Hello everyone, this video is about role of words in environment conservation. Before I start, let's watch some words which we can easily see around us. Now let's know role of words in environment conservation. Biodiversity is variability in the life form, and words are important part of biodiversity, which are directly linked with conservation of environment by dispersing seeds, pollen and fruits. As plants fulfill our basic necessities of the life, that is air, water and food, and words also help in further propagation of vegetation, so they play an important role in conservation of plants and environment. Some nectar feeding words help in pollination and help plants to complete their life cycle and thus produce edible seeds and fruits for us. They are also an important component of food chain and link trophic levels by eating insect and being eaten by other animals. Thus they also help in stabilization of ecosystem. Words are also an amazing source of aesthetic beauty, food and material like decorative items and fertilizer. Their eye-catching appearance and musical voice is inspiration for poet and artist for gaining mastery on literature, paintings and sculptures. Some of the words are important symbol of places, states and country which are known by the words. So we can't imagine sustainability of environment without words. To conclude, I must say that each and every one of us can contribute for their well-being by keeping some water in clay pots, spreading some food grains at roof of our houses and creating awareness not to harm them for enjoyment. So that's all about the role of words in environment conservation. I hope this is useful for you. Thank you for listening.